Hey guys, it's Trisha from Lewisburg Plastic Surgery and Dermatology. Today we wanted to create a video regarding our needling devices. They're called rollers that you use at home to help with product absorption. The reason why we encourage our patients to use them is because normally when you manually apply your skincare products, only 5% gets delivered in the skin. But if you would use your roller at night after you cleanse and tone, 80% of the products get absorbed into the skin. So that just means by doing that, you're going to see a lot more visible changes within your skin. So this is the roller I'm going to be using on Misty today. It's our gold roller. It's 14 karat gold. This roller is actually handmade. Also, this roller lasts about 3 to 4 years, which is also pretty cool. And since it's 14 karat gold, it helps with bacteria in the skin as well. So you're first going to go up and down, and you're going to start off in a small area, that way you can really focus in. And then you're just going to go across. Again, the goal is just to create channels into the skin. And then you're going to go diagonally. The roller does not cause any bleeding. It should not be uncomfortable. If it is, you're just applying too much pressure. If you've never used one before, we also encourage you to slowly work this into your skincare regimen. Maybe by only using your roller 2 to 3 times a week at night, skipping days in between applications, making sure that your skin is tolerating it well. Then after the 2 to 3 times during the week, if that's going well, increase another night. The goal is to get up to 7 days a week. We always want to treat the face and neck, because if we don't, that's where we're going to show our age. All right, so I just finished rolling Misty's skin. Afterwards, you just want to take your roller and put it under warm water to gently clean it off. And then you always want to put it back in the little container that's given with the roller. Now is when you're going to put on your products. Just always follow that regimen that Misty or I create for you and follow them in that order. All right, and that's a wrap on why to use a roller and how to use it.